I'm going to make a try and accept, but I'm going to contain it within a while loop with the purpose of making the program continue to work when there's trouble. And if there's no trouble, then it'll end. It'll terminate properly. All right, so this is what we do. Go to File, and I'll click on New Window. When I do that, this guy pops up. Let's key in our program now. I'm going to key in the overall while loop. While this is true, I want you to do the following. Try something. Okay, A equals, I'm going to make an integer, turn it into an integer, whatever I get back from input, which is a string. I'm going to say key in the numerator, colon space, single quote, two close quotes. Then I'm going to key in B equals, make whatever I get back from this input function, which is a string, turn it into an integer, and the prompt to the user is key in the denominator. Double close. That's it. Next thing I'm going to do is key in the print command, result colon space, single quote. What do I want to see? A divided by B. That's pretty much it. Now, if there's an exception, this is what I want you to do. Print, oops, try again. That's all. Those quotes. And that's pretty much else. Else, what should you do? Break. So that's our program in a nutshell. Let's see if it's all right. It is. It looks pretty good to me. While true, try this. Int input ntor, b equals int input dtor. I got all my quotes lined up, matching a result, a divided by b. Print oops, try it again, single quote, and close parens over there to the right, which you don't see too well, but that's okay. Else, then a colon, break. Okay, that looks fine. So I'm going to run the program now. Run the module, and the module must be saved first. Okay, let's save it. I forgot to save it. We'll call this oops, don't stop .py. Oops, I made an oops, don't stop. It's a good name. So it asked me, key in the numerator, 5. Key in the denominator, 3. No mistake here. Program should end. And it does. 1.6666, etc., etc. That's fine so far. Now, let's do this again. But this time I'm going to make an error. Run the module. This time the numerator is going to be 5, but I'm going to divide by 0. I'm going to divide by 0. Here I go. Oops, try again. Oh, wow. I'm going to make another error. 5. And the denominator, I'm going to key in 1.5. That's a mistake. It's going to expect an integer. It's not going to get it. It's going to get angry at me. And it's going to say, oops, try again. Here we go. Oops, try again. Oh, la, la. Now I key in a 6. And denominator 3. This should work. And the program should end. Wow. That's exactly what happened. What do you know? Well, one more time, let's look at that code and make sure we understand that. Here's the overall loop. While it's true, do the following. Try. And I get input from the user, convert it into an integer, assign it to A. Same thing I do with B, except I get the denominator. Then I print out the results, A divided by B. If there's a goof, print, oops, try again. Else, break out of there. If there's no goof, break out of there. That's how this program works. What do you know? Well, that's about all I have to say for now. This is George Boole saying bye-bye.